Number 9, you're going to find the missing link indicated here. Notice here by the dash marks, the left side, okay, it's cut in 2 congruent pieces. Then the right side is constructed into also 2 even parts. Therefore, EF right here, this is considered to be the mid segment. Okay. This allows us to set up this very great formula that if you double the short length or the mid segment, it's going to be equal to the long segment here. So 2 times the x plus 2, because that's the short part, that's going to equal the long part of x plus 10. Okay, distribute here. This becomes 2x plus 4 is equal to x plus 10. Subtract x to both sides. Then you get x plus 4 is equal to just 10 minus 4. Okay, this cancels, leaving you with x equals to 6. All right, same thing here for B. Notice this is the right side is cut into 2 congruent pieces. The left side is also cut into 2 congruent pieces. So this middle part here is considered to be the mid segment, allowing us to set up the equation 2 times the short or the mid segment is equal to that long piece. So 2 times x minus 2 is equal to the long piece of x plus 3. Now we can distribute. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 is equal to x plus 3. Subtract x to both sides. You get x minus 4 is equal to 3. Add 4 to both sides. This cancels. X is equal to 7 because 3 plus 4 is 7. And the last one, which is C, you're going to find S. Ooh, I forgot. So let's go back. So let's solve for all x first, then we'll go back to find the lengths, okay? All right. So here, the left side is cut into 2 congruent pieces. The right side is also cut into 2 congruent pieces. So this here is considered to be the mid segment, okay? This allows you to set up 2 times the short piece is equal to the long piece. So 2 times 2x minus 14 is equal to the long piece of x plus 2. Distribute 2 times 2x, it is 4x. 2 times 14, it is negative 28, equals to x plus 2. Minus x to both sides, you get 3x minus 28 is equal to 2. Add 28 to both sides. So this cancels. 3x is equal to 30. Then divide by 3 to both sides, leaving you with x is equal to 10. So notice, I thought I was done, but I was mistaken. Each one of these problems actually asks for the lengths. So I have to solve for ln here. ln is equal to x plus 10, but we know in this problem x is equal to 6, so plug in the 6 or substitute the 6 in. So ln is 6 plus 10, which is just 16. That's your complete final answer. Okay. For B, it is RQ. RQ in this problem is x minus 2. So we substitute that 7 in. So RQ is 7 minus 2, which is just RQ is equal to 5. And the last one, we want to find SR. SR is equal to 2x minus 14. Substitute that 10 in for x because that is what we have. SR is 2 times 10 minus 14. 2 times 10 is 20 minus 14, which is going to be a 6. That is what SR is equal to, 6. So there you go. Make sure that you just don't solve for x, but you plug it back in and find that indicated length segment.